What's going on, everybody? TG here, and I thought we should talk about Coinbase stock because Coinbase stock just reported earnings yesterday, and the earnings were actually very, very good. But I wanted to talk to you guys about some of the dangers of Coinbase stock, both the pros and the cons, and whether or not you should be investing in Coinbase. So if you guys want, like and subscribe would mean a ton to me. Make a ton of videos about this and stuff. And also we have a Discord. If you guys want to talk with me about stocks, crypto, anything like that, anything investing, or just life in general, we have a Discord. Hop on in it. Join. It's totally free. And feel free to send me a DM or any questions you guys have. But let's just jump right into this right now. Coinbase stock sitting at $258 exactly right now. Market cap of $51.47 billion. 52-week high of $430. 52-week low right about what it's at now, $250. So let's break down the earnings from yesterday because the earnings were actually pretty significant. Q1, Coinbase reported $3.05 a share. That's pretty good. No estimates on what they were going to do exactly, but a couple people had some different outlooks on what it was, different consensuses, but overall no clear one, so that wasn't really anything too significant. And their revenue came in at $180 billion, which is up $585 billion from the previous quarter. Now, one of the biggest issues with Coinbase, while these earnings look amazing, because these earnings are amazing, it's talking about what's going forward. Now, Coinbase gets 99% of their revenue, basically 99% of their revenue, from fees. There's Coinbase fees, okay? 94% for this quarter, 98% last quarter. This could be a very, very problematic situation if something like the Robinhood effect happens. Now, when I talk about Robinhood, I'm talking about this broker right here. I'm not talking about Errol Flynn. I'm talking about this broker right here. If you guys remember, Robinhood changed the game, absolutely changed the game, and allows people to buy and sell stocks, crypto, and options commission-free. Now, that changed the game, and that forced all the other players essentially in town to drastically lower their prices, and most of them even going completely out of their commission. If you guys don't know, stocks used to be about $10 to buy, $10 to sell, and that was about the average. That was about the street average, some being a little higher, some being a little bit lower. Robinhood completely changed that game and wiped that out. So that wiped a lot of revenue out for a lot of brokerages. This could happen with Coinbase. As crypto gets bigger and bigger, there's going to be more and more crypto exchanges out there, crypto brokers, places to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Now, if you want to buy cryptocurrency, you pay a big, big price on Coinbase. Very significant. If I wanted to buy Bitcoin, I'm paying a lot of money. I'm paying a lot of fees, and I'm paying a spread as well. Okay? And that's one of the big reasons they make a lot of money. Again, 94% of the company's revenue in the first quarter came from fees. If more brokerages come out, more competition heats up, and they begin to price gouge or just completely go commission free like Robinhood did, Coinbase is going to take a serious hit. Coinbase, based on some analysts, believe the stock could fall another 65% from where it is. So that is a significant drop from where it is right now. And they believe that it could fall a lot more. Again, it went from $430 to $258 already. If competition heats up, which a lot of people, including myself, believe, this is going to be very, very bad for Coinbase. It's also sitting at a very high multiple as of right now with 403 PE ratio. Right now, crypto is huge and they're getting tons of transactions. That's why they're bringing in so much money right now. But if, and it will happen, competition heats up, these earnings are going to take a significant hit. Now, Coinbase does have something on others. While they are the biggest and the best, when people buy crypto, they're the most popular. Again, that is great and all, but if competition heats up and a new player comes in town that's very trustworthy and people like, people are going to switch to that, because even when I had to sell my XRP, I had to transfer it over to Bitcoin, paid a big fee from that. Then I had to sell it and pay another fee. I paid over $800 to sell 19,000 worth of crypto. I think I paid like $906 to sell $19,000 worth of crypto. So, just a stupid amount of percent that you have to pay. And that's why they're making a fortune right now. But when the time comes, and I hope it does, because I think it's ridiculous charging people that much. I really do. Charging people that much money to buy and sell crypto is a joke. It does not cost that much. And they're making a fortune off it right now. And I think it's going to come back and bite them in the butt. That's their entire business model. That's all they have. And if competition heats up, it's over for them. Eventually, this company was valued at $100 billion at one point. $100 billion, which is obviously a joke. It's not worth $100 billion. And, Cathie Wood's actually been buying a ton of Coinbase. She's just been buying so much of it. And I think it's going to bite her in the butt. I really, really do. But, we'll see what happens with that. But, as of right now, it's not looking too good. She's bought a lot in the upper 300s, and, it's continuing to average down every single day, it seems like. But, right now it just doesn't look good. From everything that I see, it just does not look, very good right now. Obviously, they posted a phenomenal quarter. But at the same time, when there's new players in town that start taking away from their revenue or change the game and force them to get rid of fees or slash them in half, well, 94% of that revenue is now gone. So what do? You have a company that has a revenue of like $6 million, $7 million a quarter. What are they worth then? That's up to you to decide. But it's certainly not $52 billion. So I hate to sound bearish, I hate to sound negative, but this is definitely something to look forward to when looking at companies, because you're always forward looking. That's the thing you do. You always try to look forward about these type of things, and sometimes it's not exactly a good idea to invest in something that could be wiped out with one or two players. And Robinhood's a perfect example of that. Robinhood allows you to trade crypto for free on there. And while you don't actually own the crypto, you own the price. Even that, it's an incentive for people to go on there, because people don't want to pay a big fee, 8% almost. That's a lot. And then you want to send it as well. While it's super safe, I'll give them that. They have the security. They have the really good interface. They don't have the customer loyalty. And loyalty comes with helping the customer. Like Robinhood helped. While they've also done a lot of bad, they help the customer, save a ton of money in fees. Coinbase is the opposite. Coinbase tries to gouge people as much as they can with fees, and I think it's going to bite them in the butt. So while they're making a fortune right now, I think they're going to really suffer, in the quarters ahead. So this is not a stock I recommend, even though it's almost, 40% off highs. I just can't recommend a stock like this that is not going to be as good in the future, So I do think they are going to go down significantly, and I'm very worried about people who are invested in it. I've seen a lot of people buy in the 400s of this stock, and I don't think we're ever going to see those levels return again. There's just no reason to. It's just simply grossly overvalued if, fruition happens and, other people step up. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update on all of that. Because obviously it's pretty significant. If you lose 94% of your revenue, it just does not look good. Not look good in the years down the road. So, it's something to look forward to. If you guys are in Coinbase, take that into consideration. If you're not, but are thinking about buying it, obviously maybe this will change your mind. Go for something else. But anyways, guys, have a wonderful weekend. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be intense. I'm actually heading to Alabama in a couple days for the national championship, so that'll be a lot of fun. So I might not be able to make a ton of videos, but what I will do is try to keep you guys updated with everything in the Discord and all that stuff like that. So, guys, have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Let me know your thoughts on the market, on Coinbase, on all that stuff. And, just have a wonderful day. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.